Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela with Angela's Inspired Creations, here to bring you another short tutorial on Cricut Design Space. So today what we're going to talk about is the contour tool. Now, this tool is very helpful if you are working on an image and you want to kind of crop out pieces or you don't want certain pieces to cut. So all you have to do is you just use the contour button and you can almost hide certain layers that you don't want to show up or you don't want them to cut. So for example, here on our screen, I have just a very simple bow. Now, when I click on this bow here, you can see down in our little menu here, there is the button that says contour, and hopefully you guys can see that. I just realized that the little YouTube button might be over there. So it's down in the bottom right of your screen, the contour button. You just click on that and it pops up this little screen with every little piece of your design like highlighted. So let's say in my bow, I don't want these little ribbon pieces coming down. I just want the bow itself. All I have to do is I just have to select the pieces that I want to hide. And as you can see, the bow itself is still like a darker highlight, and now those little wings, I guess you could call them, are now a little bit lighter gray there, and they're selected here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click my X to get back to my screen so I can show you what I've just actually done. That's all I had to do. I just had to click and click. Now they're missing. So it makes it super easy just to hide those little tiny spots maybe that aren't cutting correctly, or when you are creating your design, you realize that you need a silhouette of something instead of something that has a whole bunch of little cutouts in it. So I do that a lot. I'll contour, hide the contour of the little cutouts in my images because I just want the outline. That way I don't have to pull it into another program and try and edit it there in that other program. I can just do it right here. Now, the nice thing is that if you go back and you hit the contour again, if I say that I want those little ribbons, I can just select them again. See, they're not selected here. They're dark gray over here again, just like these other pieces. And I can exit, and now my whole design is still there. It doesn't crop, it doesn't delete things out of your design. It just hides them. That's all. So if I click on contour again, another nice thing is if you have a really, really intricate design, you could do hide all contours. Now, it still has to have one there, so it kept one for us because obviously if we wanted to delete the design, all we'd have to do is, hide it or delete it off our mat. So all you need to do then is just go find the one piece that you want and select that, and then I'm going to unclick that one. And now I just have one little piece. That really helps when you've got those little pesky little tiny little bitty pieces in your images. I get that a lot when I'm working with like little tiny shapes that have to do with like the ocean. I've seen that a lot in like starfish or seahorses or something like that, and I want it to be just the background, or I don't want all those little cut pieces because I'm cutting my design so small that those little cut pieces aren't really going to cut properly anyway. So the contour, that's it. Super simple, super easy. Now you know that you don't have to go in and try to be a perfect editor. You can just quickly hide things you don't need right here in Cricut Design Space using the contour button. So hopefully this video was very easy and very simple, and now you know a little bit about the contour button. So if you liked the video, please make sure you show it a like. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can be alerted when I post new videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Angela signing out. Bye everybody.